and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be looking at IDLE, just a quick overview as to what it can do and what it's used for. And IDLE, also known as the Python shell, is what's called an interactive development environment. So this means that whenever you write a line of Python code, it will instantly be evaluated and give you the answer. So for example, if we type 5 plus 5, it will instantly give us back 10 because it just evaluates that for you. So 5 is a number, and it's not a number that has a decimal point after it. So it's just a 5. This is known as an integer, a whole number. And Python has an integer as a type. This means that for Python, the number 5 and the number 5.0, for example, are completely different numbers, and they are in fact different types. Similarly, this is also a completely different type and a completely different thing in general. This is known as a string, and a string is simply a collection of characters and numbers and symbols that are enclosed between quotation marks. Python treats this literally, so it will not do anything. If we say 5 plus 5, it will simply give us back 5 plus 5 because it assumes that we simply want the collection of numbers and symbols that we've given it. If we do 5 plus 5, notice how some of it is in quotations and the other is as a number, the plus being outside the quotations and the 5 being a number or an integer. This gives us an error because it doesn't know what to do with the string and the number added together. However, if you do 5 plus 5, notice that spaces doesn't matter in Python. Then it gives you 55 because it simply joins them two together. So these are a couple of things that you can do in IDLE, and this was also a very quick introduction to what integers and strings are. In the very next video, we might look at some variables. So I'll see you there.